Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a paragraph style for an exam. And this will be really, really useful because once you learn how to do it, you'll be able to, basically replicate this and do it for your exam as well. Now, if you look at it, these questions are normally worth between 2 and 4 marks. So they're really, really easy marks to get. All you have to do is show that you are able to create this style with these specific requirements. So let's go back to my question paper. Now, if I look for the styles tab, it is over here. The styles tab is over here. And if I select this ribbon, it will open a dialog box, which is here. Yours might be a bit smaller. You might have to make it bigger. And here is now my styles that are pre-created on this exam paper. We've got body, subhead, table. There's no HT title. So that's the one I'm going to have to make. So to make a new style, we'll click on this tab here. Okay. And we're presented with this box here. Now in here, it did mention to us that we must base it on a default paragraph style. So that means I have to start off by making sure it is normal. Okay. So there's no prior settings to it. Okay. So let's begin by filling this in. I'm just going to copy the title to make sure it's correct. HT title. Okay, let's keep moving on. This wants a serif font style, so I'm going to choose Times New Roman. Okay, just type it in just to save time. Okay, and what else does it want? It wants font size 28 points, so go here, 28. I'm going to type it in. All right, let's keep going. It wants center alignment, so center. No, sorry, center alignment, not this one. Center. Okay. Then it wants bold and italic enhancements. So we need to go bold and italic. Okay. Now, it's saying here line spacing needs to be single, line spacing before and after needs to be 0. So to access this part of it, you have to click on, I'm just going to move this over here. You have to click on the Format tab at the bottom here. And you have loads of different options here that you can actually include. But we're going to be focusing on the paragraph section for now, which is there. So I'm going to click on this, move this to the center here. Now, I don't need to focus on anything but this spacing part here. Sometimes you might have indentation, but most of the times it'll be the spacing that's mainly concerned with. So going to go back to the paper, single line spacing 0 and 0. So single line spacing is there. Sometimes it might ask you for anything else here, but just to let you know, those options are there as well. And before it needs to be 0 and after it needs to be 0 as well. Now, for your exam, you're going to need to take a print screen of these two boxes here. Because for your exam, you'll need to evidence that you've been able to create this style. Now, if I press OK, sometimes it shows on here, sometimes, but not always. That's why it's important to have both boxes open here. So you take a print screen like this. All right. And then you'd have something like this, and then you'd copy and paste it into your evidence folder. Now, normally this would be like task 2 or for evidence number 2, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, evidence 2. And you just, look, it says here, screenshot showing the settings for the HT title paragraph style. Now, sometimes it might say apply. Oh, yeah, does it here? It says, look, at the start of the document, enter the title, upgrade your storage, your date storage, and then apply this paragraph style to that. So let's have a look. At the start of the document, enter the title. So if I press OK, okay. Now, because I've already highlighted this, it's gone there, so I need to go back to normal. Now, a title. Let's have a look. I'm just going to copy it just to save time. Copy and paste, and then highlight, and then apply our HT title style, and there you go. Okay, that's basically me applying and creating and applying my paragraph style.